Hi there, I'm Dave from MPI. Today, I'm going to demonstrate the Lavu Gift feature using an integrated EMV credit card terminal. Here are a few features I would like to highlight. Lavu Gift is an extension you can purchase, allowing you to issue, redeem, and manage gift cards for your business. Lavu Gift has a low monthly cost and no transaction fee. Lavu gift cards are reloadable and can be remotely managed, and using an EMV terminal helps protect your business against chargebacks. After you've set up Lavu Gift in your Lavu control panel, you can begin issuing and redeeming gift cards. For assistance with setting up Lavu Gift, contact your Lavu certified reseller. Let's take a look at how this works with an integrated EMV terminal powered by the MPI gateway. I'll now show you how to issue a gift card. Within the Quick Serve mode, scroll along the icons at the bottom of the screen and tap on Miscellaneous. Then tap the purple Lavu button. Tap Issue Card on the pop-up screen, then enter the amount to be loaded onto the gift card and click Go. Then, tap the checkout icon in the top right-hand corner. On the checkout screen, tap Cash. This will light up the EMV unit. Swipe the gift card, then choose if and how you would like to print or send a receipt to the customer. After selecting Print, a receipt will be printed. I'll now outline how to take a gift card as a payment method. Within the Quick Serve mode, select the items to be purchased by the customer. In this case, a classic roast beef sandwich meal with loaded fries and a small Dr. Pepper. Then, tap the checkout icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. On the checkout screen, tap the Lavu Gift icon. Then, select Quick Pay on the pop-up screen. Swipe the gift card, then choose if and how you would like to print or send a receipt to the customer. After selecting Print, a receipt will be printed. If the gift card has enough value to cover the cost, the transaction will go through. The receipt will show the remaining balance on the gift card. If the gift card doesn't cover the cost of the purchase, the Lavu system will show what the remaining balance to be paid is. If you'd like to learn more about the Lavu Gift feature, need custom Lavu gift cards, or are looking to work with a certified Lavu reseller, contact MPI at 1-800-518-5020. Email us at sales@mpipos.com or follow the link at the end of the video. Thanks for watching.